In this video, we'll discuss running simple select queries using UnifyML SQL. We'll cover selecting columns, finding the minimum and maximum values, calculating sums, counting rows, using group by, and joining tables with UnifyML queries. Let's begin by running UnifyML simple select queries. This is our DBeaver client. To connect, simply configure it based on your required connection. I'm using my AWS connection. Here, you can view all the tables present in your AWS database by clicking on this format. Just click on the tables, and it will list all the tables available in your connection. These are my S3 tables. Similarly, you can connect to any of your databases and view the tables. After selecting a table, click on it to view its columns. This will list all the columns along with their data types. Like this, you can easily explore the structure of your database. Now let's run a simple select query to view table data. Run this query, and UnifyML will execute it on the back end. The output displays the top 10 rows of the table. Similarly, to count the total records in a table, use a query that returns the total number of records. Running this query shows that the table contains a total of 499 records. To fetch only specific columns, execute a query that selects only the required columns such as age, quantity, and total amount. Executing this query displays only these columns. Now let's find the minimum value in a column by running a query that retrieves the minimum value of the total amount column. After running, UnifyML will execute this in the backend and return the minimum value. Similarly, to get the maximum value, execute a query that retrieves the maximum value in the total amount column. This will return the highest value recorded in the column. To calculate the sum of a column, run a query that returns the total sum of the total amount column. Running this query provides the total sum. Now let's perform a group by operation by running a query that groups the data by product category and calculates the total sales and total quantity for each category. Executing this groups the data and displays values for categories such as beauty, clothing, and electronics. We can also apply a where condition to filter results. Running this query will display only rows where the total amount equals 300. Now let's join two tables by running a query that joins the retail sales data set with a retail sales table based on the total amount column. This will return only matching rows from both tables. In this way, you can efficiently run select queries using UnifyML SQL. Thank you for watching this video.